Hello friends and welcome back. Tonight we're going to be making almost tandoori chicken from the Racheal Ray Look and Cook book. I'm going to get started by preparing the slaw that's going to go on top of the chicken. It's made up of apples, tomatoes, limes, green onions, salt and pepper, and olive oil. The recipe says thinly slice the tomato and the apple.
Sneaking behind the couch.
Type of spices for this chicken is turmeric, cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, and cardamom. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah, no big deal.
My sweet husband is trimming off all the fat because I hate doing it. I can't stand it.
Not all. A good portion. Gotta have some fat.
Gonna have some fat, but I don't like doing it. Thank you.
I already put some salt.
Should I just do it over the chicken?
Where does it? No, do it in this.
Do it in there?
Because we gotta combine the zest of the lime and the spices, right? Should I convert the recipe?
I don't know.
Rapid preheat. Yes. 5.
That's the only thing.
Not the summertime recipe.
No. It's what we picked.
The zest and lime and the spices.
And then whatever spices you want to add. Going in. It's good. It's really good. Okay, sweet friends, that's it for tonight's video. That chicken was very good. I really hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.